Morning everyone, Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I hope you guys are doing well. Here in Los Angeles at the house, we officially have multiple offers for Diana's house here. And we got to get out of the driveway pronto. So as you can see, I pulled out some stuff. Some of this will go in trailer Swift. Some of it will go into the bay. I am organizing outdoor bins right now on the NautiBus while Diana's working inside, and just clearing everything out so we have a fresh slate. We're starting from scratch. Got our holding tanks over there. We can put some stuff on top of the tanks on the other side, but essentially what is going to go in here, like the leveling blocks that I made, probably the barbecue grill, the generator's gonna, so I gotta sort through and figure out what's all what. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Show you what Diana's doing inside. So actually we got the door closed. Diana's back there doing some deep cleaning, doing linens and stuff. So the kitties are all restricted in here. And then here shortly, once we get everything sorted out on the other half of the bus, Yang, honey, is gonna move in, right?
Yeah.
We're moving Yang in to back there.
Oh my.
So Diana's
an adventure. Yeah,
Diana's organizing and stuff back there once the once we get done with laundry. I think there's a lot of things we're really gonna miss on the road, and one of those is having laundry facilities here. Also the hot tub, heated pool, stuff like that. So yeah. Let me get to work, start organizing, and let you know how the day goes. Okay, so let me show you how it's going. Diana's bus out on the curb. We're only allowed to park that there for 72 hours here in the city. So getting stuff done here, guys, and I like being able to reorganize things and make it more functional on the road. This way I can just open one compartment, grab all four of my levelers. My generator is right here. Our cat emergency crates are there in case we have to go to the ER or the emergency for them. I've got tools in a bin behind it. I'm going to be utilizing lots of plastic totes under here because this area is subject to, I guess, possible weather. I mean, moisture can get in here. So yeah, we got the propane tanks here. Got some other hoses and cords that I use often. Fuel for the generator, extra oil. And then on the other side over here, I told Diana there's some stuff that she can put on top of the holding tanks here, but also she can have this whole area here. So, you know, we're thinking about what kinds of things are going to go in here. This is a lot of room. There's my Coleman stove there. Total pass through there. So still a lot of room for packing gear for the road. Got to get the bike in the trailer and figure that all out. The pickup truck's across the street there. Don't know what we're gonna do with the pickup truck just yet, because I'm gonna have the trailer behind it with the motorcycle, our kayaks, and all our other gear. See, the thing about this trip is we don't know how long this trip is really going to be, to the point where we are packing winter gear for next winter. So my propane heater there, although we do have a diesel heater also that'll probably keep up in most places. This suitcase that we brought, I'm going to keep all of my winter clothes and Disney stuff in. So lots of thermals, hoodies, gloves, sweaters here, all in there. This will actually go in the trailer. But yeah, like as we leave LA and start traveling on the road together, Diana and I had considered that we may just be on the road for quite a bit here, as there's a lot of things up in the air, and it's likely, Chunks, that we may be on the road for a year. That'll see 3 new seasons for us, possibly more. Don't know. Yeah, gas, diesel prices, it's brutal right now, especially here in California. But there'll be this wonderful relief as soon as we get out of here, at least. There's that, right? So we are planning to be on the road nomads for quite some time. So that's why we're spending extra care here to make sure that both of us and all 5 cats are comfortable in this behemoth NautiBus here. So a little bit of planning now, and we will be prepared. We'll be ready for a long, epic U.S. trip. Did you tell him how handsome I am, Dad? Yeah, you know, this angle is not very flattering, Chunks. It really looks like you've got the belly right there. Opie, what's up with your brusher? He's got a big belly that I can't resist. I gotta get that belly. He does not like it when I play with his belly. Hey, Gizmo. Where's Tara? Got all my boys here. Where's Tara? Oh, she's right here? Hi, Tara. Hi, honey. How you doing with just half the bus? Yeah, Yang's gonna be in the way back, but you can give her kisses under the door, okay? Okay. Guys, I thought we love each other. Are we playing patty cake? That's not patty cake. That's like cat whack. That's the cat whack game. Whoa, guys. Can we just give kisses and love long time? Man, I don't know why they fight, Dad. I don't either. Maybe it's just love fighting, you know? Yeah. Also, I was seriously considering changing this arrangement with my 101 Harley shirts hanging. I thought it would be easier to like roll them up and I could save space a little better. The main problem I was having was this long spool up here flexing because of the weight. And I found an easy way to fix it. I reinforced it. It looks kind of ugly, but it's a specialty cut 2x4 with the right length, screwed into the ceiling planks and then screwed through the dowel all the way through to basically support the rod. So now when we stand back, it's not like before. I think it was like down here, and you could just tell that it was not going to last. It was too big of a surface, and I was like, you know, it's just going to break. I'm gonna build a closet. But yeah, just a simple little cheap 2x4 reinforcement right there. Fix that. And now I just know that we're not going to have a problem on the road and have to make a repair on the road. So just kind of peace of mind. Speaking of peace of mind, I want to thank my video sponsor again. Thank you, CyberGhost VPN, for sponsoring today's video. I am one of 38 million users worldwide, and they have over 20,000 excellent reviews on Trustpilot. It is absolutely one of the best VPNs out there. Real quick, let me tell you why I use CyberGhost VPN on all of my devices. In case you didn't know, the internet is full of shady sites and trackers. So online safety is also something that I do not take lightly. That is why you need a trusted VPN. CyberGhost routes your traffic through a secure, encrypted tunnel, keeping your IP hidden and your data private. You might think browsing in incognito mode is enough, but it's not. Your internet service provider, your school or work's IT department, your campground Wi-Fi, they can all track every move online. To stop this, simply turn on CyberGhost VPN before you browse. I have it on my MacBook and my iPhone, and it'll work on up to 7 devices. CyberGhost has servers in over 100 countries. Let it pick the best, or select whichever one you want, which is what I like to do to unlock shows and series on Amazon Prime and Netflix to unlock those geo restrictions. Or right before you book a vacation here in the United States, switch it to a different country and you'll get a whole different list of great deals. Hey, use my link in the video description below this video to get 84% off and 4 months free. Enjoy a 45-day money-back guarantee. That's just $2.03 a month. It's completely risk-free, so check it out today, guys. Link in the video description below, and thanks again, CyberGhost VPN, for sponsoring this video. So, we're taking the cats to an outdoor restaurant called Lazy Dogs. Here, hop in. We decided to take the orange boys. They've been on their best behavior, so it's going to be an orange day. Tara and Gizmo will get their chance another time. 2 is a very manageable number.
For the first time. This is our first time taking them to a restaurant.
Did I even show this on my channel? We got this at a thrift store.
Oh, yeah.
Then we looked it up. I think we paid $70 for it, but it retails for like $270. So.
Aw, Eric looks so cute as a daddy. A cat daddy.
All right, we're in. It's kind of indoor, outdoor. You know, like we got a nice view. We got fresh air. There's a little Datsun over there. Hey guys, what do you think? What's on the cat menu here? Yeah, Dad, get us some like extra treats and stuff. Okay, guys, I'll see what they got on the menu, okay? Gotta keep you in there, though. Oh, Opie's very interested.
The pup menu. Well, the pet menu, I guess.
See this? They do have a pup menu. You get a bowl of water as complimentary. You can get your dog a grilled hamburger or a grilled chicken. That's awesome. Think you can eat a whole burger, Opie? A whole burger? No? Too much? Okay. They got the fire going over there, too. Like a propane fire. That's nice. Opie, you're on your best behavior, so you get to try this again? Yeah. He's not stressed out about the dogs, like, at all. Oh, no kitties on the table, though. That's one of their rules. One of their few rules, okay?
How
Hey
are
there.
you guys doing today?
Great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Oh my god, you have beautiful cats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Chunks doesn't get much outdoor public time,
No, he
you know?
doesn't.
So everything's brand new to him. Unfortunately, he does not get out as often as Jax used to get out, so... and we gotta change that. You're fine. Put your ears down. Yeah, that's a dog over there.
As long as they don't bark, they're fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah.
Ooh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Want to smell it? All right, Diana got her Brussels sprouts. She loves the Brussels sprouts here.
I do.
And I don't know what the heck that is.
These are bao buns with chicken and chicken barbecue stuff.
Okay.
It's yummy.
Okay. I went with fries with a side of burger. Like, that is the largest amount of fries ever.
Those are really good. I'm gonna steal them.
And a plain cheeseburger here. Well, the kitties did really good. We're gonna leave the lazy dog now. They did so good that we're actually gonna take them out to PetSmart and let them pick out treats and toys. Since they were such good kitties.
I was impressed.
Me too.
Honestly.
I really was.
Especially with Chunks.
Yeah.
Because this is Chunks' first outdoor.
Well, you mentioned maybe Opie made Chunks a little more comfortable.
I think so, because Opie's really good at being outdoors and socially.
Yeah.
So I think he helped him kind of. I think we should bring Gizmo next time with Opie.
Yeah.
I think Opie's a
See the
good teacher.
difference. All right, guys. As promised, we're gonna go look at treats and toys here at PetSmart. And we might go look at the birds too. We might just go check out the birdies, see how they're doing today. Opie's ready. Opie's so ready. Let's go, buddy.
Oh, they're so cute.
Do you want one?
Do you want a guinea
You want a
pig?
guinea pig?
Chunks, like, what are we doing here?
Then the millet is straight down. That's gonna be handy right there.
Alright, thank you.
We see like the treats and stuff.
Oh, okay, I see.
Up here?
That's all right. What a beautiful conure. That is a conure.
Are they talking birds?
They can talk, yes, but that's a baby one. He still needs a lot to grow.
It's like $1,000 bird.
Yes, most likely.
Opie, do you want one?
Hi.
I'll take 2 chicken nuggets.
social.
These are not
Very
chicken nuggets.
social.
These are not chicken nuggets.
He did not like Opie.
I'm not a
next
piece
to
of
him.
meat.
Let's take him to the kitty toys. So I was telling Eric that they have like chicken hearts, so we could give them as treats.
Toy.
How cute.
Wow.
Which one do you want, Opie?
Chunks, you keep looking too. I'll bring you out and you get to pick one too.
Which
Like
one
the
do
bee?
you want? You need to let him paw one.
This is a fish. This is like a snake. Just feathery snakes. You like feathery snakes? You like those? Oh, he likes that one.
Oh, he does.
Huh. That's called the Mad Cat. You like the Mad Cat?
Actually, we don't have nothing like that. I only have one rainbow one with Yang. I think Opie picked the one
I
he
think
likes.
Opie needs the Mad Cat. That's the one? Put one of those in our basket? Okay. We got slithery snake with a feather. It's like a... Well, if you like those too, we'll just get one of those. But you can pick one. Look. There's fish on a rope too. I kind of like the snake. If I were a cat, I would go for the snake, personally. Crinkly. See how it's crinkly? The feathers.
Oh, look at those babies. Hi, guys. They're like, what is going on here? Hi, you're beautiful. I love tuxedo cats. Oh, look at this one. They are fascinated. They're fascinated that the cats are in the stroller. I like this one. It's black with, look at the bottom white and the... He's beautiful.
Kisses?
Oh, look it. Oh,
Chunks gives kisses. There's little holes you can smell. You can bring your cat.
Look at
Little holes where they can smell each other.
Oh, good boy, Chunks.
You want to smell this
Say
guy?
hi to your friends.
Or this girl? Looks like she could be your girlfriend.
This is O'Malley.
Hi,
Orange
Molly.
white cat. That's Molly.
Yeah.
Pedro. Pedro is right here.
Hi, Pedro.
That's Pedro. It's
I think he likes
beautiful.
Wally.
I love this one. Black and white Stewie. This is Stewie.
Hi, Stewie. We just came to say hi. What did we get? The kitty is a special treat.
Oh, look, he's smelling it now.
So it's raw chicken and raw liver treats. Okay. And it's freeze dried.
Want one?
Want one, Chunks? I don't think you'll like it. You better throw it on the ground. You're smelling it. Tara and Gizmo, you guys missed all the action. They picked you out a slithery snake. And we got this long one with a feather. Actually, Opie picked this one out. Oh, ooh. Opie's wild. He's like, I picked it, Dad. Let go. Look at these two rascals. Oh, he killed a purple feather already.
Oh,
Opie,
oh
let
my,
go.
that toy is not going to last.
Jeez, you guys.
They really love the avocado toy. Oh my God, look at Opie. He goes crazy over it.
Opie. Oh, Chunks is gonna kill it. Yes, I spoil my kitties, but they are the best kitties in the world. They really deserve it. Thanks for joining me on the channel, guys. We are almost done. It's such a good feeling. Hey, don't forget to click that link in the video description and get the best deal on CyberGhost VPN exclusively for my viewers. It keeps your data safe online and unlocks all that blocked content, all for just $2.03 a month. It's completely risk-free. Try it out today, guys. And thanks again for sponsoring my video, CyberGhost VPN. Guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!